Alright y'all, so today we're doing something a bit different. We have a bag of Sour Patch Kids here. It's one of my favorites when I do eat candy. But I've seen on the bag here, it says add Sour Patch Kids to sugar cookies. So I was like, well, that's a great idea. And we're still yet to do a sugar cookie on the channel, so let's go ahead and do it. So we got some butter, we have some salt, baking powder, egg, some vanilla, some milk, flour, sugar. And since we got some Sour Patch Kids, I went ahead and I have a Sour Patch Kids cookie cutter. You don't need this cookie cutter, but it is a nice little extra. Let's go ahead and start making our sugar cookies. Alright y'all, so in a mixing bowl, we have 1 cup of softened butter. To this, we're going to be adding 1 egg, a tablespoon of our milk, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla. We got 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Now we're going to take our electric mixer. Just go ahead. Alright, we got that well mixed together. We're going to take 1 cup of sugar. Take our mixer. Now we're going to do 3 cups of flour. We're going to do about 1 cup at a time. And once we have a sticky dough, we're just going to go ahead, remove our electric mixer from the equation. Now if it's a little wet and you need to add a little more flour, go for it. Just do it steps at a time. But once you have a consistency about like so, where it's not too wet and not too dry, we're just going to go ahead. Now for our Sour Patch Kids. We've got 2 cups of Sour Patch Kids. We're just going to fold these into this dough. We want to get those Sour Patch Kids evenly mixed around. But once we have that, we're going to cover this with some saran wrap. We're going to press that right down onto our dough. Now we're going to throw this in the fridge for about an hour. Just let it chill. Alright y'all. I said let it sit in the fridge for an hour. I wound up letting it sit all night. That's not going to hurt anything. It's the next day. So what we're going to do, take our dough, set it to the side. Take some of our flour. And take some of our dough. And we're going to roll this out to about 1/4 inch thickness. Now I'm noticing because the candies are in there, it's breaking up a little bit. Go ahead and just put it back together with your hands. Now take whatever cookie cutter you're using. Like I said, I bought a Sour Patch Kids cookie cutter just for this. Alright y'all, so when I tried that cookie cutter yesterday, it was on candies that were warm. These cold candies, it's having a hard time going through it. So we're just going to go ahead and make more square cookies. So once we have our cookies on a cookie sheet, we've gone ahead, heated up our oven to 375. We're gonna go ahead, throw these in there for 7 to 9 minutes, so roughly 8, or until they're done. So I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all, so our cookies are done. I wound up just kind of making large cookies, hand formed them. The candies, the cookie cutter cut fine when the candies are warm, but when they're cold, not so much, as you guys saw me struggling earlier. But I've had a few of these cookies. They're pretty good. Never thought to do this myself. And I have ideas for that cookie cutter down the road. So, but if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. And until next time, keep on cooking on.